In the back of your packet, there are two sheets of paper. I want you to gently rip them out. The first one says what's being measured at the top and has a picture of a bottle of glue and a pair of scissors. And the second piece of paper looks like this. It has a big old box with little boxes in it. So I want you to grab those two sheets of paper. Then I also want you to grab some glue, either a glue stick or a bottle of glue, and a pair of scissors. Put your name, your number, and your date on the top of this paper, and then come back to me and let's discuss how you're going to do this activity. All right, well, let's talk about the directions. It says cut and paste the measurement scenario cards into the right category. So what you need to do is you're going to read each box, decide whether the scenario refers to measuring weight, length, or capacity. Cut each box out and glue it onto the correct category on your sorting chart. Now, if you are still confused about what weight, length, or capacity is, go back and watch the video that was right before this activity. And if you need to, you can have the video up while you're doing this. And if you need to read one of these scenario cards and then ask yourself what that is and then review it with the video, that's totally fine. But you're going to cut these up and then decide which category it goes into. Now I'm going to give you a piece of advice. Do not cut out all of these at once. That will make a huge mess. I suggest cutting out one square and then ask yourself, is this measurement, is it weight? Am I measuring how heavy something is? Is it length? Am I seeing how long something is or the distance between one place to another? Or am I measuring capacity? That is, am I thinking of how much something is filled up? Mostly with liquid. Okay, that's mostly what capacity is. Okay, so you are going to cut them out one at a time and then glue them in the correct column. Also, the glue that you use, if you are using liquid glue, one dot is enough. You do not need to smear that whole card with glue. Just put one tiny dot on the back and then you'll press it down in the correct column. Now when you are all done, you're going to need to find a place for this to dry. I'm going to suggest probably the white bookshelves or at your seat. If there's room near the sink, that's fine. Just make sure it's a place where somebody's not working all day long, you know, a free spot in the classroom. Okay, make sure that your glue is put up and your scissors are put up and that your hands are washed. They're probably going to be sticky afterwards. Your trash is thrown away. All right, and this paper needs to be handed in the pathway section. So good luck on this activity, and please use the video to help you find out whether or not the scenario card is about weight, length, or capacity.